Good morning, this is Marty Zamudio from Bar Z Retrievers. This is Ace. We're going to continue the thawed duck hold with Ace. See how it goes. I'm putting the duck in his mouth, not using the fetch word or anything like that. I'm just putting the duck in his mouth. Hold. Hold. Good. 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 Hold. Day 2 of the thawed duck. On day 1 in yesterday's video, you saw that there was I had a couple opportunities for corrections. The corrections due to him not letting go quick enough. So let's see how he does today. Hold. Hold. Good. Good. Drop. Good. Good dog. Good dog. That's what I like. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Hold. Hold. Again, I'm trying to teach him the correct way to hold it. That means just sitting there without trying to readjust the bird. Roll it, munch on it, just sit there and hold it until I give him the release command. Good. Good boy. Hold. 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 I didn't mind that adjustment with his paws, front paws. He was just trying to make himself more comfortable. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Good. Drop. Good. Good boy. That's what we're looking for. Very good. I'm just grabbing onto it and saying drop and letting him do the work. Good boy. Good. Good job. How about another time, huh? Try it again. Pull his lips back. Make sure the duck is in there. Hold. 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 Good. Good. He's doing a good job. I mean, so far we haven't had any issues. Obviously, no corrections need to be made. Giving him some praise for doing the right thing. Good. Oh, good. Good boy. Good. So we'll continue this for today. Probably get 2 more sessions in. And then we're going to move to the ground. When a dog transitions from the table to the ground, they have a little bit of issues. They want to drop it quicker. Just takes a session or 2 to be able to reinforce that they have to hold it even though they're on the ground. And then we transition into movement. Just a few steps. Again, as soon as the dog starts to step off, they want to drop it. For a young dog, Ace should have no problem holding onto it, so we should go quickly. But as soon as movements with a dog that has something in their mouth, as soon as they start to move, they want to drop it. So you have to reinforce the hold, hold, hold. and then that leads to doing obedience with having a bumper and or a duck in their mouth. Good, good. Drop. Good, good. You notice that it almost looked like he stuck on it. Well, the wing got stuck in his mouth. So I didn't make a correction on that one. He's doing a good job. We'll get 2 more sessions in today and progress from there. Thank you very much.